I composed your name overhead. However, the breeze blew it away. I composed your name in the sand. However, the waves wished it away. I composed your name in my heart, and everlastingly it will remain much obliged to you for your wonderful wishes. The team and I are giving our all to make 2024 one of the most mind-blowing year of all time. In any case, we sure can't do this without the assistance of our wonderful friends, much appreciated by and constantly keep that wonderful face grinning. Assume your name. Will you message me straightforwardly on the off chance that you are prepared for Alistair's enrollment card? Message me or inbox me. In the event that you are intrigued, remember to like and share this post so you get your prize right now. Darling, I like you to enlist for the regal partitions autonations here in the imperial gathering so the regal commit can handle it and we can meet one another and be together, my dear. Love like and offer this post to all your loved ones. You can in any case reach me on my confidential WhatsApp account. Love, I am prepared to pay attention to every one of your desserts talks. Since the day I lost you out of my life, I become so miserable and stressed. I realize you are some place hanging tight for me to return. Yet, quite worrying about. I will always be yours. Anything you are doing, I want you to, in any case, have it has a top priority. I will be for all time your Gunoni remonds everlastingly. Nothing will isolate us outside. That is my gratitude to you, honey. You have given such a lot of pleasure to my life. I don't have any idea where I would be without you. You elegant my days and light up every one of the dull spots. I love you. I will adore you until the stars never again sparkle overhead. I will adore you as each new day sunrises. I love the manner in which you check me out. It causes me to feel like I am the main individual in your life. You cause me to feel like the most extraordinary lady on the planet. You are all that I could need in a lady. I would wed you once more in case it isn't above. My day will constantly begin and end with you in my heart and at the forefront of my thoughts. No other individual worth thinking back about beside you. My affection, you be given my life a significance, and I guarantee never to quit cherishing you. And to you, I promise my final gossip. I love you so much, my lady, and my beginning and end. Love, I contemplate you the entire day. Honey, I simply believe you should have it as a top priority. Will be close by honey consistently each subcant that passes I love you to an over increasing extent. I could enjoy 1000 lifetimes with you, yet need more on the grounds that your affection resembles an endless will. There will never be each of you my affection. I need you, I really want you. I long for you, I desire for you, and above all, I love you. You are the other portion of my heart, and the better 50 of my spirit. You restore me. Love, remember to like and share this post to your loved ones.